So it's mid-June, it's time to check the barn owl boxes. So there's the box up there, quite big A-shaped box. Just filming it just in case there's a parent bird in there flies out. So my assistant up, just tap on the box quite gently, Charlie. No, there's nothing in there. There she goes. Yeah, barn owl. Right, what's in there? What's in there? Chicks? Okay, come on. Yeah, so there we go. So that's a barn owl chick, she's got a couple of eggs. It's not very old, 3 or 4 days old. It's quite a late brood. Okay, we'll leave them in peace, let her mum get back to them. Okay, so that's 1 chick, 2 eggs. Hopefully the other 2 eggs will hatch over the next week or so, and she'll end up with 3 chicks. We'll go back and check the box in 2 or 3 weeks' time and see what's happening in there. That's quite a small brood for barn owls. Often they'll have 4 or 5 chicks, which would suggest that's either a young pair of birds and this is their first breeding season, or it's been a poor year for voles and there's less food supply, so therefore they'll have a smaller brood. But anyway, the positive thing is we've got barn owl nesting. They've got at least 1 chick. Fingers crossed they'll rear that until it's fledged.